And in that direction, a study at the Hong Kong University, Grace, has also shed more light on the transmissionability of that virus. And it talks about how the virus outbreak and the spread could be far worse than the one that was witnessed during the SARS outbreak in 2003. Grace, if my voice is going through to you.
Yes, I can hear you now. In terms of what experts are saying about this virus, authorities in China say compared to the SARS outbreak, it is spreading very fast and it can only get worse before it gets better. So they're expecting the numbers to grow pretty substantially before we start seeing it peter off. But of course, health authorities are also saying that's no reason to panic globally, because really, if you wash your hands, if you don't touch your face, if you take the appropriate measures, if you've recently been to China and you feel unwell, stay at home. If you take all of these measures, there's really no reason for this virus to spread in a way that's, globally devastating. So that's what the advice at this moment is. A group in Australia has been successful in replicating the virus. They're the first group outside of China to be able to do that. They say that'll help us understand the virus even better and perhaps start making a vaccine for it. So authorities around the world are racing to try and figure out a way to beat this virus while it's spreading at this moment.
Absolutely. We're going to leave it there for the moment, Grace. Thanks very much for those inputs. Now, a look also at how India has reacted and the efforts that have been made so far in that direction. The Ayush Ministry of India has issued an advisory recommending that homeopathic and Unani medicines could be effective when it comes to the prevention of the coronavirus. In the 64th annual meeting of the Scientific Advisory Board, the Ministry of Ayush and the Central Council of Research in Homeopathy discussed various measures to prevent the outbreak through indigenous medicines. The advisory also suggests some Ayurvedic medicines, Unani medicines, home remedies, which could be useful when it comes to the symptomatic management of the coronavirus. It talks about the measures that will be taken to strengthen the immune system through a healthy diet and lifestyle practices. The ministry has advised covering faces while coughing or sneezing, and preferably using an N95 mask while traveling or working in public places to avoid droplet transmissions. The virus so far has claimed the lives of 132 people and affected at least 6,000 in China. The virus emerged from a seafood market in Wuhan in China and is suspected to have spread as far as the United States. In India, several people are under observation in hospitals for that infection. This includes the states of Maharashtra and also areas of the national capital and Odisha.